How wonderful would it
Haifa, we are going to have a vacation soon, alright?
Yes. So why?
Now, the problem is, I don't know, and there are no friends for a place for holiday. What do you do? Do you have any recommendation for a place or not?
Alright, I have a recommendation for a suitable tourist spot for those of you who like nature.
Wow, what's that?
Well, the place is Heha Skyview.
Heha Skyview is very popular and can be reached in just 20 minutes from Jogja City. It's located at Heha Skyview. The address is in Patuk District, Gunung Kidul, Regency Special Region, Yogyakarta.
How much is the price of the entrance ticket and the rides?
The price for the entrance ticket is
Heha Skyview entrance ticket price are now simple. From Monday until Friday, start from 20,000 for one person, and from Saturday, Sunday, and holiday, start from 20,000 for one person. Heha Skyview has a lot of cool photo spots. The price as follows. Sky Glass start from 30,000 for one person, while climbing start from 30,000 for one person, and Sky Balloon start from 20,000 for one person, and Heha Aeroplane start from 20,000 for one person.
Well, if you are hungry, is there a restaurant there?
just check it yourself in Google. No wonder, I'm just kidding.
At Heha Skyview, there is also a restaurant connect via a sky bridge. This restaurant consists of 4 floors. First floor for a la carte with family design and equipped with air condition. The 2 floors service visitors who come with groups. 3 floor is a half open rooftop. This floor also has an iconic selfie photo spot from Heha Skyview, and this name is Sky Glass.
Wow, it turns out that the facilities they are complete too, Haifa.
Yes, of course.
So, hurry up. What are you waiting for?
For those of you who are on vacation in Jogja,
But don't have any recommendation for tourist attraction yet? Heha Skyview is perfect to visit with family, girlfriends, and friends.
A few minutes later.
Hello Haifa, thanks for recommending Heha Skyview. Yesterday I came and played at Heha Skyview, and it turned out that the scenery was nice and beautiful. I played a lot of games there. There are also lots of aesthetic photo spots that you can make a photo.
Thanks again, Fatih. I am happy if you're happy. Honestly, I want to ask you, have you ever heard of other tourists that are familiar with Heha Skyview?
I have heard of tourist spots that are similar to Heha Skyview. The name is Heha Ocean View.
Wow, that does sound familiar. What the difference between Heha Skyview and Heha Ocean View?
The two tourist attractions but offer various Instagrammable photo spots and are in Gunung Kidul Regency, Yogyakarta. However, both are different tourist spots. If someone invites you to Heha while in vacation to Jogja, then ask first whether you want Heha Sky View or Heha Ocean View. Slight difference in Heha Sky View and Heha Ocean View. Heha Sky View presents the panoramic beauty of Jogja from a height as it from the sky. As the name implies, when night falls, the sparkling lights of the city of Jogja look so calming. Meanwhile, as the name suggests, Heha Ocean View displays the panoramic beauty of the southern sea. Visitors can picture at Instagrammable photo spots with the beautiful South Sea as a background.
If I go there, how much will the ticket cost and the route that can be taken to arrive faster?
Heha Ocean View is via Jalan West Imogiri, Jalan Imogiri Siluk, Jalan Grilit Siluk, Jalan Bek Wonosari. After that, you will pass a narrow road for 9 kilometers. The road is so narrow that it's difficult for passing cars to pass. As usual, several points are guarded by youths who manage traffic, so we need to prepare small money. You can also consider just riding a motorbike because there are often severe traffic jams during the holiday season. Open house and entry price to Heha Ocean View. Heha Ocean View entrance ticket price are now simple. Monday free day. 9 until 9 night. 20,000 for one person Saturday, Sunday and holidays. 20,000 for one person if you want even cheaper. There are tickets for Heha Sky View and Heha Ocean View. 25,000 can be used until the next day, but not valid for Saturdays, Sundays and national holidays.
Wow! It turned out that the tickets are quite cheap. By the way, I also have information regarding the price of photo spot and place to eat in the ocean view.
Wow, what's that? I want to know. Maybe during the holidays tomorrow I will go there.
Photo spot at Heha Ocean View. Heha Ocean View has a lot of cool photo spot with a sea background. However, when it's crowded, we often have to wait for a long time to take picture there. We also need to pay for the ticket again. The price is as follow. First is Santorini start from 30,000 for one person. Trinity class start from 30,000 for one person. Ringstone start from 20,000 for one person. Waterfall start from 20,000 for one person. Terra Curve start from 20,000 for one person. Air balloon start from 20,000 for one person. Heha airplane start from 20,000 for one person. Pink horizon start from 15,000 for one person. Hexagon start from 20,000 for one person. Rainbow start from 10,000 for one person. Polka dots start from 10,000 for one person. Chromatic car start from 10,000 for one person. Each photo spot already has a photographer. All we have to do is pay another start from 5,000 for each file we copy. Many tourists are not ready for this, especially when they come with their family or groups. Ideally, we prepare a budget of around start from 100,000 for one person. If there are 7 people in a car, the total is just multiplied. Food stall at Heha Ocean View. We are not allowed to bring food or drinks from outside Heha Ocean View. However, don't worry, inside many food stalls. When it's busy, sometimes the food stall run out of food and drinks even though we are very thirsty because we have walked quite a distance. So there's nothing wrong with storing food and drinks in the facility as a backup if this happens. I think heha Ocean View and heha Sky View is recommended for you. Thank you for watching.